Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on textile engineering. Textile engineering or textile manufacturing is to be conversion of fibers into yarns and yarns into fabric. The father of textile engineering or manufacturing is Sir Richard Arkwright, an English inventor who invented spinning mechanism during starting of industrial revolution. Conversion of fibers into yarns and yarns into fabrics is all about textile engineering or textile manufacturing. Textile engineering and textile manufacturing is all about design and development of various processes that includes fibers, yarns and fabrics. The father of Indian textile engineering is Jamsetji Nusarwanji Tata, was born in Navsari, Gujarat, moved to Bombay and started Alexandria Mill, converted into cotton mill later on. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you. Please like and share my video, and it is 100% true which I am delivering. Okay, so my YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. So please like and share my video and subscribe my video too. Okay, I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.